Sydney. The name conjures images of sun-kissed beaches and a sparkling harbour. This Australian city is a true gem, captivating hearts worldwide. From iconic landmarks to hidden laneways, Sydney has something for everyone. Whether you crave adventure, relaxation or cultural immersion, Sydney promises an unforgettable experience. Come, let us journey to this vibrant metropolis where the energy is palpable and the beauty is breathtaking. Feel the warmth of the Australian sun on your skin as we explore the wonders that make Sydney truly special. Let us discover together why Sydney is more than just a city. It's a feeling, a way of life. Bondi Beach. The name itself evokes a sense of freedom and excitement. It's a place where the city meets the surf, creating a unique blend of urban energy and coastal relaxation. This iconic beach is more than just sand and sea. It's a microcosm of Sydney's vibrant energy. Here, the skyline of the city serves as a stunning backdrop to the endless stretch of golden sand, making it a perfect spot for both locals and tourists. The air buzzes with activity as surfers carve through turquoise waves and sunbathers bask on the golden sand. The waves here are perfect for both beginners and seasoned surfers, offering a thrilling experience for all. Take a refreshing dip in the cool ocean or simply relax on the shore and soak up the sun. The beach is patrolled by lifeguards, ensuring a safe environment for everyone to enjoy. Bondi is a place to see and be seen. It's a social hub where people come to connect, take photos and create memories. The vibrant atmosphere is contagious, making it a must-visit destination. Cafes and restaurants line the beachfront, offering stunning ocean views. From casual eateries to fine dining, there's something to satisfy every palate. Enjoy fresh seafood, delicious brunches, and refreshing drinks as you take in the breathtaking scenery. Enjoy a leisurely brunch, sipping coffee as the world goes by. The beachfront cafes are perfect for people watching, giving you a glimpse into the diverse and dynamic culture of Bondi.
Bondi Beach is just incredible. The panoramic views from above reveal the true beauty of this iconic location, with its crystal clear waters and bustling shoreline. Whether you're here to surf or just to hang out, there's something for everyone. The beach offers a variety of activities, from surfing and swimming to beach volleyball and yoga. The vibe is just so relaxed and welcoming. It's a place where you can truly unwind, whether you're lounging on the sand, exploring the coastal walk, or simply enjoying the stunning views.
Just a short ferry ride from the bustling city lies Manly, a haven of tranquility and natural beauty. As you step off the ferry, you're immediately greeted by the refreshing sea breeze and the sound of waves gently lapping against the shore. Manly Beach offers a different pace of life, where time seems to slow down and the worries of the city melt away. Families gather here to enjoy the sun, sand and surf, creating memories that last a lifetime. The atmosphere here is relaxed and laid back, a world away from the city's hustle and bustle. People of all ages can be seen lounging on the beach, reading a book or simply soaking up the sun. Stroll along the Corso, a vibrant pedestrian street lined with an array of shops and cafes. Discover hidden boutiques offering unique treasures, from handmade crafts to stylish beachwear. Indulge in a delicious ice cream from one of the many charming parlors and let the cool, creamy treat refresh you as you continue your exploration. Manly is also a paradise for water lovers. The beach is a hot spot for surfing, with waves that cater to both beginners and seasoned surfers. Learn to surf at Manly Surf School, where experienced instructors guide you through the basics and help you catch your first wave. Or explore the underwater world through snorkeling or scuba diving. The clear waters reveal a vibrant marine life, making it an unforgettable experience for adventurers.
Wow, Manly Beach is just perfect for a day out. The aerial view is breathtaking, showcasing the expansive sandy shores and the sparkling blue sea. I love how you can just wander around, taking in the sights and sounds of this beautiful beachside suburb. Find a cute little shop where you can pick up a souvenir or a unique piece of local art. Or grab an ice cream and enjoy the view, watching the waves roll in as you savor each bite. It's such a refreshing escape from the city. The relaxed vibe, the friendly locals, and the stunning natural beauty make Manly a must-visit destination for anyone looking to unwind and recharge.
No trip to Sydney is complete without encountering the majestic Harbour Bridge. Affectionately known as the Coat Hanger, this iconic structure is a symbol of Sydney's ambition and engineering prowess. Completed in 1932, the bridge connects the bustling city centre to the serene northern shores. For the adventurous, climbing the bridge is an unforgettable experience. From its peak, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of the city and harbour. At night, the bridge twinkles with thousands of lights, creating a magical spectacle. The sight of the illuminated bridge against the backdrop of the night sky is truly mesmerizing, making it a favorite spot for both locals and tourists alike. The bridge not only serves as a vital transportation link, but also as a cultural icon, representing the spirit and resilience of Sydney.
The Harbour Bridge isn't just an engineering marvel. It's a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. Climbing it gives you a whole new perspective on the city. The view from the top is simply stunning, especially at sunset when the city lights start to sparkle. As you ascend, you can feel the history and the effort that went into constructing this monumental structure. The climb itself is an adventure, with every step bringing you closer to the sky and offering a unique vantage point of Sydney's sprawling landscape. The experience is both exhilarating and humbling, reminding you of the incredible feats humans can achieve. Whether you're a thrill seeker or someone who appreciates architectural beauty, the Sydney Harbour Bridge has something to offer. It's a place where memories are made and stories are shared, a true bridge to Sydney's soul. The Harbour Bridge isn't just an engineering marvel, it's a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. Climbing it gives you a whole new perspective on the city. The view from the top is simply stunning, especially at sunset when the city lights start to sparkle. The golden hues of the setting sun cast a warm glow over the city, creating a picturesque scene that is perfect for capturing unforgettable moments. As the sun dips below the horizon, the city transforms and the bridge becomes a beacon of light, guiding the way for those who seek adventure and inspiration. The Sydney Harbour Bridge is more than just a structure. It's a symbol of dreams realized and a gateway to the heart of one of the world's most vibrant cities.
Section 5, Opera House, a symphony in architecture.
Resembling giant, billowing sails, the Sydney Opera House is a masterpiece of modern architecture. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a cultural icon, hosting world-class performances.
Take a guided tour to learn about its fascinating history and architectural ingenuity. Attend a concert or opera and be mesmerized by the acoustics and the talent on display. Even a simple walk around the exterior, admiring its unique design, is an experience in itself. Section 6, Botanic Garden, a green oasis in the city's heart. Escape the urban jungle and step into the tranquil oasis of the Royal Botanic Garden. This sprawling garden is a sanctuary for both plants and people. Explore themed gardens, each with its own unique character. Wander through the fragrant rose garden or marvel at the ancient ferns in the fern house. The garden offers stunning views of the Opera House and Harbour Bridge. Pack a picnic basket and enjoy a relaxing afternoon surrounded by nature's beauty. Section 7, Sydney Harbour, a playground of blue water. Sydney Harbour is the city's beating heart, a playground of sparkling blue water. Take a leisurely cruise and admire the city skyline from a different perspective. Hop on a ferry and explore the many islands dotting the harbour. Visit Cockatoo Island, a former convict settlement, or enjoy the pristine beaches of Shark Island. Don't worry, it's safe. For a truly unforgettable experience, celebrate New Year's Eve on the harbour and witness the world-famous fireworks display. Section 8, The Rocks, history whispers in every corner. Step back in time at the Rocks, Sydney's historic birthplace. This charming neighbourhood is a maze of cobblestone streets and heritage buildings. Explore its hidden laneways and discover quirky boutiques, art galleries and cosy pubs.
Visit the Museum of Sydney and delve into the city's colonial past. Enjoy a meal at one of the many restaurants, offering stunning harbour views. The Rocks is a place where history whispers in every corner.
Section 9, Gastronomic Delights, a world of flavour awaits. Sydney is a melting pot of cultures and its culinary scene reflects this diversity. From fresh seafood to international flavours, there's something to tantalise every palate.
Indulge in a fine dining experience at a harbourside restaurant, or savour authentic Asian cuisine in Chinatown. Explore the trendy cafes and hidden laneway bars in Surrey Hills. Don't leave without trying a classic Aussie meat pie or a Tim Tam Slam. Sydney is a foodie's paradise waiting to be explored.
Section 10, Sydney beckons. Discover your own adventure. Sydney is a city of endless possibilities, a place where adventure awaits around every corner. Whether you seek relaxation or exhilaration, culture or nature, Sydney has it all. Lose yourself in the vibrant energy of Bondi Beach, find serenity in the Royal Botanic Garden, or marvel at the architectural wonders of the Opera House and Harbour Bridge. Sydney welcomes you with open arms, ready to share its beauty, its culture, and its unique charm. Come, discover your own adventure in this unforgettable city. The spirit of Sydney awaits you.